Welcome to Practice Easy English. Weather phrasal verbs with meaning and examples. Cloud over. To become covered with clouds. Did the sky cloud over before the rain? Yes, it clouded over quickly. Pour down. To rain heavily. Is it pouring down outside? Yes, it's pouring down heavily. Clear up. To become clear or sunny. Will it clear up this afternoon? Yes, it's supposed to clear up by evening. Cool down. To become cooler. Did it cool down after the rain? Yes, it cooled down a lot. Warm up. To become warmer. Is it warming up outside? Yes, it's warming up nicely. Blow up. To become very windy or stormy. Did a storm blow up overnight? Yes, it blew up unexpectedly. Blow over. To pass without causing serious damage. Did the storm blow over quickly? Yes, it blew over in an hour. Pick up. To become stronger or more intense. Did the wind pick up suddenly? Yes, it picked up in the afternoon. Die down. To become less intense. When will the wind die down? It should die down by tonight. Hail down. To fall as hail. Did it hail down during the storm? Yes, it hailed down and damaged the crops. Freeze over. To become covered with ice. Did the lake freeze over last night? Yes, it froze over completely. Heat up. To become hotter. Will it heat up this weekend? Yes, it's supposed to heat up significantly. Snow in. To be trapped by heavy snow. Were you snowed in last winter? Yes, we were snowed in for 2 days. Fog up. To become covered with fog or mist. Do your windows fog up in the winter? Yes, they fog up when it's cold outside. Shine through. To be visible despite clouds. Did the sun shine through the clouds? Yes, it shone through briefly. Roll in. To arrive in a large mass, often used for fog or clouds. Did the fog roll in this morning? Yes, it rolled in very quickly. Snow down. To fall heavily as snow. Did it snow down heavily last night? Yes, it snowed down and covered everything. Thunder down. To produce a loud sound as thunder. Did it thunder down last night? Yes, the thunder was really loud. Fog out. To be obscured or delayed by fog. Was your flight fogged out? Yes, it was fogged out and delayed. Snow over. To cover completely with snow. Did the storm snow over the roads? Yes, the roads were snowed over and impassable. Ice over. To become covered with ice. Did the sidewalk ice over last night? Yes, it iced over and became very slippery.